I think one of the most famous cocktails in a bar is called the LIIT. A lot of people do mispronounce it by saying it LIT. It's LIIT, which is basically Long Island iced tea. Interesting thing, there is no tea involved in this making of this cocktail. And it is from, or it was made, or supposedly made for one of the first times in the Long Island side of US, where they made a drink, a really potent drink, and by adding a few ingredients like the Coke and a bit of lime juice, it kind of given the color of iced tea, but actually is punched with a lot of alcohol. What we are making is Long Island iced coffee because, well, there has to be something with coffee. So we've done the entire opposite to this drink. Instead of having 5 alcohols, we have 5 juices which is mixed together and then topped it off with 1 alcohol, okay, which is vodka because it's the most neutral spirit. The 5 juices that we have is apple, cranberry, orange, lime juice, and the juice of coffee, basically, which is your decoction or the espresso shot or mocha, whatever that you have. So these are the 5 juices that we're going to mix together and then add a bit of Angostura Bitters and top it off with vodka. Simple. Trust me, it is one hell of an amazing punch. So we start off like always with ice, which is the most important ingredient of most of the drinks. Okay, so you have your ice in. The first thing that I add is the coffee decoction or coffee juice, as I normally say or often say. Then I add in orange juice, a bit of cranberry juice, and a bit of apple juice, just a dash of Angostura Bitters, and about 15-20 mils of vodka, or any white base spirit you can use for this particular drink. And once you're through with that, I think this already looks like a very nice iced coffee kind of a drink. So if you go in a coffee shop, you can probably get something like this. Just give it a mix. I add in the lemon juice, which is the 5th juice that we have, and a bit of the soda or tonic water just to add that zing. And then, of course, the last ingredient, which is the garnish, to make sure that, you know, this looks stunningly nice. Slice of lemon and mint. Here you go. You have your Long Island iced coffee.